Good afternoon. Today I will introduce myself. My name is Glenda Penuelas and I'll be talking about how polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons affect children's health. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. They're commonly referred to PHA. They are groups of chemicals that are formed during the incomplete burning of coal, boiling gas, garbage, and other organic substances like tobacco and charboiled meat. Strong evidence demonstrate associations between the environmental exposure to PM and PHS with several health outcomes, including increased risk of asthma, pulmonary infection with skin disease, and allergies. Children spend most of their time at school, up to 10 hours per day, mostly indoors, and the respective air quality makes significant impact on children's health. There is a scientific gap on studies that includes the characterization of PM fine fraction and the levels of pHs in the total air of indoor and outdoor air of school environments and the associated risk for the health of children. There is a clear need to improve indoors air quality in schools and to establish international guidelines for exposure limits in these environments. Air pollution can irritate the eye, throat, and lungs. Burning eyes, cough, and chest irritated are very common with exposure to the high level of air pollution. However, responses to air pollution vary greatly in kids. Some people may notice chest illness or cough, while others may not notice any effect. Air pollution can negatively affect pregnancy, possibly leading to preterm birth, a low birth weight, stillbirth, or congenital abnormality. People who live in polluted areas or have exposure to indoors air pollution from toxins such as cigarette smoke have higher rates of negative pregnancy outcomes. Even when you're in your car, you and your children can breathe in polluted air from traffic fumes, petrol vapors, tobacco smoke, and chemicals. In fact, air pollution levels can often be higher inside your car and outside. By being exposed from polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons can affect baby lungs development. If your child breathes a high level of air pollution over a long period of time, they might be at risk of their lungs not working as well as they grow older, developing asthma during childhood or as an adult. And if they have asthma already, air pollution can make it worse. Wheezing, cough, lung cancer, they are older infections like pneumonia. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, pronounced as a PHS, are a class of chemicals that occurs naturally in coal, crude oil, and gasoline. They result from burning coal, oil, gas, wood, garbage, and tobacco. PHS can be been to the form small particles in the air. Children who are exposed to PHS are from breathing air containing motor vehicle exhaust, cigarette smoke, wood smoke, fumes from asphalt roads, consuming grilled or charred meat or foods, eating food on which PHS particles have settled from the air, in some cases passing through the skin. How many types of PAH are in there? There are at least 10,000 different PAH compounds. Most are formed from the incomplete combustion of plants or animals' matter or carbon fuels such as coal or petroleum. Are there any regulations for PHS that protects humans' health? The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has established maximum contaminant levels for public water supplies to reduce the change of adverse health effects from drinking contaminated water. MCLS are enforceable limits the public water supplies must meet. Unknowing to their prevent immunotoxic effects, coal tar shampoo should be used for anti-drug therapy only if other treatment is available. Due to the immunotoxic and carcinogenic effects of PHS and coke oven workers' exposure to PHS in occupational settings should be eliminated or minimized. This could be done by reducing emission to the maximum extent. If it's not possible, then at least an effective personal protection should be provided.